Hi there, this is Saurabh. I'm suffering from visual snow past 2.5 years. So I had very bad time in my life, and the time was there. I was on bed and for 4 months, and I was not able to stand. When I used to stand, everything was fly like a fly like a plane of everything just shattered. So I deal with that, and after that, when I was able to control some of my visual snow, then I started medication, and my doctor prescribed me lamotrigine and clonazepam. The clonazepam helped me a lot, and also the lamotrigine, but I was still in the problem because I was not able to think, I was not able to walk, and my I think always that my life is ruined. So after 1 year, I have started my job because I have to live, and without job you can't live. You have money, you need money for that. So when I was working, I had a very difficult time for that. So now after 2.5 years, I found a way to deal with your anxiety, because the main reason of visual snow is anxiety. So first I would like tell you my way of dealing with anxiety. I started dealing with anxiety that when I sleep, or when I sit and thought about the visual snow of my future or my past, then I was in very much trouble. So the simple way I was searching for the way to deal with my thoughts and anxiety, and the simple way I would like to tell you, and please practice for that, and after that I would tell you the more ways, because now I have deal my anxiety a lot, and I have my visual snow is not as troubling as used to be, and it's very low nowadays. So I would like to tell you that when you think about your future or past or visual snow, and your mind gets in trouble, then start thinking what I am thinking only. The basic concept is, when you start thinking that what I am thinking, every thoughts goes away, just like that. So when now you can do at this time, that think what I'm thinking, think what I'm thinking, think what I'm thinking, in your mind, in your mind, in your mind, and the all wrong or all bad thoughts goes away. So first my tip is that, and try this, and you will have a lot of relax from that. After that I would tell you all other ways and medications and all the other exercises what I did, I'm doing, and I will do to deal with my visual snow. And now I'm a very happy person because I found a way to deal with visual snow. Okay, so I would like to, my first tip is for you that just think what I'm thinking. When you are in trouble, when you are in a bad mood, when you have a wrong thoughts, but just think what I'm thinking, just think what I'm thinking, and your all the thoughts will go away. Thank you.